Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome in my YouTube channel. My name is Raul Fadilon and I'm student in Biology Faculty Math and Science University Bengkulu. In this video, I will explain you how to use NCBI GenBank and download nucleotide sequence for bioinformatic or biomolecular research. Let's go. First, open your browser in your PC and you can use Chrome or Internet Explorer or any tools. Insert your query in search bar or Google and write NCBI. And then click enter. Click National Center for Biotechnology Information. Click All Database. And then select nucleotide. In search bar, insert your query. You can use name of organism or specific gene. And in this video, I do find Oreochromis niloticus, gene COI. Okay, I will search Oreochromis or tilapia fish. And click enter. And select on top data. In the top data, Oreochromis have 546 base pair linear DNA. Click enter. In this session, you can find all data about nucleotide that you find. Oreochromis niloticus haplotype 2 cytochrome oxidase subunit 1, gene partial CDS mitochondrial. This gene in the locus MG4 2H624 have 546 base pair DNA linear. Author Mohammed Geba, Hasab El-Nab, and Awad and Ibrahim Noval, with a journal title DNA barcoding identifies a unique haplotype of Nile tilapia, Oreochromis niloticus, thriving in Egyptian freshwater and brackish water lakes. You can cite this journal in Ecobiol number 2 in 2017. Click into in right tool and click complete record, choose file, and you choose the FASTA format. Then create a file. Finally, your data automatically save on your PC. Okay, I hope we will come back again on another question on same channel to discuss about biology and bioinformatics. Thank you to those of you who have watched this video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get another exciting information. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.